G'day guys, long way from home of Ionic Systems in the UK. We've come all this way to check out what's new from Ionic Systems. Evolution in the Foamion. Take a look at an existing unit, and as we can see, space is critical. So an original tried and tested unit delivering foam for soft washing. So drawing water from the tank using two 12-volt pumps through chemical injectors, hose reel to your hydro pole for application of soft washing facades, siding. But today we wanted to showcase new generation portable Foamion here at Ionic Systems in the UK. We're going to run this through its paces today and give you a demonstration as like its big brother, the differences in the chemical injectors. So like its predecessor, there is two injectors on this particular system, a 3:1, 9:1, which is a larger intake hose, and a 19:1, 9:1 as a smaller injector hose. It is driven and backed by air to generate the foam, to push that up the lance, to allow that SH, that only with the contact cleaner, a 1% mix, to be encapsulated and stick on your facade to aid in the dwell time. So not like its predecessor, lithium ion battery. So expected run times and durations, and we all know how good the technology is with lithium ion back to base on your phone, but projected forecast continuous run times will be 4 hours. Are we going to spray continuously for 4 hours? No, we're going to put it on an application and we're going to rinse off. So, but continuous on a 100 amp hour lithium ion battery at 4 hours work time. Adjustment of air, which can be regulated to suit the operator. Our two chemical injectors, which can be controlled and adjusted to give those tolerances. On the other side, we have water in and two outputs for two different chemical injectors. So let's get together, let's fire this thing up and give you guys all around the world a bird's eye view of the new portable Foamion. Ionic Systems and the Foamion portable. What is it? It's a pneumatically charged application system. So used in soft washing with a variation of variable chem injectors from 19:1 to 3:1 and adjustable. The configuration here is running from a 12-volt water supply. So with chem in through the injectors and 5 litres a minute, you're able to disperse chem at height and reduce overspray. So encapsulating it in a foam with inbuilt generation, you're maximising dwell time, minimising overspray and maximising reach height in the application of new to Ionic Systems, the Foamion portable. So we've now just flicked over to a 3:1 chem side of the chem injector. So there is two injectors on this air-powered, pump-powered Foamion portable, and you can see a dramatic increase with the increase in concentration. It's only 1% sodium hypochlorite in Ionic Systems contact cleaner. So very low concentrations, very low runoffs. And even with the doorway open there, you have total control. So how long would it take you to wash a house back in Oz? So a double-storey home with this application, all set up, you'd probably expect around the 2 hour mark. So So it'd be a chemical application on, and then using your pressure cleaner at low pressure just as a rinse. So in tight environments, in a metropolitan area, when there's people around, you're able to control that overspray and foam. 1% mix of Onyx Systems contact cleaner, and covering that 15-20 square meters of oil only really took under a minute. Remarkable.